Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today the topic which we are going to start is about numerical related with number of moles and number of particles. First of all, we have discussed theory in the last classes. Today we have numericals. First of all, we are going to calculate mass in grams by using number of moles. So question number 1 is that calculate the mass present in 2 moles of carbon dioxide. First of all, we will write data given required. Then we will solve this numerical to calculate mass of carbon dioxide in 2 moles of carbon dioxide. First of all, we will like to discuss the data given and required. Now I am going to repeat the question. Calculate the mass in grams present in 2 moles of carbon dioxide. We are going to calculate mass of carbon dioxide in grams. It means that mass in grams of carbon dioxide we will have to calculate by using 2 moles of carbon dioxide. It means that number of moles which are represented by N is 2 moles. The solution of that question will be, we know that mass of substance in gram will be equals to number of moles into atomic mass, molecular mass and then formula mass. Moles are given, that is 2 moles. Since carbon dioxide is a covalent molecule gas, so we will use molecular mass. And for calculation of molecular mass of carbon dioxide, atomic masses of carbon and oxygen will be given in exam and final exam or paper. Mass of carbon is 12. Mass of carbon is 12. How many atoms? 1. There are 1 atom of carbon plus mass of oxygen is 16 while there are 2 atoms of oxygen. 16 into 2 32 and 12 1 12. It means that 32 plus 12 it will become 44 AMU. It means that molecular mass of carbon dioxide will be 44 AMU. By putting the molecular mass of carbon dioxide in equation number 1, we can easily get mass in grams of carbon dioxide. Equation number 1 implies mass of carbon dioxide will be moles. There are 2 moles given and 44 is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. By multiplying 2 into 44 it will become 88 grams. It means that result mass in grams of carbon dioxide in 2 moles of carbon dioxide will be 88 grams. Here we have done numerical in which by using number of moles we can easily calculate mass of carbon dioxide in grams. This type of numerical come in exam. The molecule or the ingredients will be changed. Here we can use carbon dioxide, water, NaCl, sodium, chlorine, glucose and sugar, etc. Now we are going to move towards calculate the number of atoms present in an atom. Now we are going to start another question which is related with number of particles or number of atoms. The question is calculate the number of atoms present in 10 grams of carbon. So required is number of atoms which are particles. We can generally use word particle and particles present in 10 grams of carbon. Mass of carbon will be 10 gram while the Avogadro's number will be 6.02 exponent 23. Here is a relationship between number of particles and mass. We know that number of particles is a general form. We can use number of atoms for single atom, number of molecules for covalent compound and number of ions for formula unit or ionic compound. Number of particles will be equals to mass in grams divided by atomic mass, molecular mass and formula mass multiplied by Na, that is Avogadro number. We have given mass in carbon in 10 grams, Avogadro's number 6.02 exponent 23, while we will use atomic mass. Atomic mass of carbon will be given in paper, which is equals to 12 AMU, atomic mass unit. It means that here we can write number of particles, number of atoms in place of number of particles. Number of particles will be equals to mass will be 10 into Avogadro's number 6.02 exponent 23 and atomic mass will be 12. By multiplying 10 into 6.02 and divided by 12, we can easily get 5.02. 5.02 exponent 23 and the unit is atoms. Journal unit is particles, but we are particularly specialized for carbon, so it will be number of atoms and unit will be atoms. So you can write result here. Number of atoms in 10 gram of carbon will be 5.02 exponent 23 atoms, and here is the result. Hope you understand this numerical. By given mass of single atom, you can easily calculate number of particles, means number of atoms present in any single atom, by using the relationship between mass and particles. Particles is a general term. We can use atomic mass, molecular mass or formula mass. So we can convert it number of atoms, number of molecules or number of ions in it. So here we have a single atom, that is carbon, so we can write number of atoms. Hope this numerical you can easily understand. If you have any query regarding understanding these sort of numericals which are related with number of moles, number of particles, so you can directly comment or you can directly message me. Till then, Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.